What are the names of the 8 planets?
Venus, O, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Pluto.
And what are the days of the week? What are the 7 days of the week?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Tuang ahi achhuak du lova in buala chhuak du lova chuwang chuan thil kan zot don ani. What is your name?
Dangah.
How old are you?
2.
What is your mother's name?
Moya.
Hey, mother.
Appa.
No, your mother's name. Very good. What is your father's name? Father's name. Hey, what is your father's name?
Moya.
And how many fingers do you have?
10.
How many toes do you have? How many toes do you have?
10.
How many, what is the color of your hair?
Brown.
What? What is the color of your hair?
Black.
Very good. How many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? Hey, how many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have?
Da.
How many eyes do you have?
2.
How many ears do you have?
2.
How many nose do you have?
1.
Very good. And tuna countries and capitals. So, what is the capital of Australia?
Kampula.
In-law. What is the capital of Bangladesh?
Dhaka.
What is the capital of Canada? The capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
What is the capital of China?
Beijing.
What is the capital of India?
Beijing.
What is the capital of Mizoram?
Azure.
What is the capital of Thailand? Thailand capital Thailand. Bangkok. What is the capital of Australia? What is the capital of Bangladesh?
Dhaka.
What is the capital of Brazil? What is the capital of Brazil?
Brasilia.
What is the capital of China?
Beijing.
What is the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
What is the capital of India?
Beijing.
What is the capital of Thailand?
Bangkok.
What is the capital of state? Mizoram.
Azure.
What is the capital of Mizoram?
Azure.
Aishore. Very good. Thank you.